This demo showcases how Vozo Health streamlines patient management by simplifying data entry and record creation. You'll see how to efficiently add new patient information and save it within the system. Click Patient to open the Patient Management area in Side menu. Click Patients to view the list of existing patient records. Click Create New Patient to start adding a new patient profile. Now fill in the patient's details in the required fields in the pop-up. By filling in the patient's email address, you can enable the patient portal and send invoices and reminders efficiently. Enter the patient's phone number in the field provided. Now you need to select the provider. Since there is only one provider, Sam Blake, we will assign it. Click Save to store the new patient information in the system. From the top bar menu, you will see a button called Create. Click Create Patient to finalize adding the new patient record. This is another way of creating a patient record. This demo highlights how Vozo EHR enables quick and accurate patient data entry, from creating new profiles to assigning staff and saving records. Experience streamlined patient management that saves time and reduces errors.